So how much I make as a stay-at-home mom and a full-time student on social media. Oh my goodness. I am going to show you. We're just jumping right into it. I'm going to show you how much I make as a stay-at-home mom and a full-time student on social media for the month of December. Now, it wasn't always like this. Every month is different. It actually fluctuates from month to month. But December was a really good month, so I'm documenting the journey and sharing it with you. So let's go. What do I do? Guys, if you hear my baby in the background, that's my little one here. He's right next to my feet. Hi. Let's start. So, what do I do on social media? There's so many things that I have done on social media. I'm going to tell you, I try almost everything. And I took a lot of different courses because I really wanted to invest in myself. No, this is not me selling you a course or anything. I'm just telling you what I did. And you don't have to do the same thing. I just really wanted the information and I had no one to get it from. So I actually purchased different courses to get the information. And I first started on social media with just documenting my journey as a mother. I gained a lot of followers from that. The next thing I did was actually started affiliate marketing, and it actually went well for a while. But then I really didn't want it to just resell a course, right? I just like but I learned the skill and I was able to apply it in different aspects of my life. Then fast forward, can you leave the mirror, please? TikTok shop came about. I'm already doing affiliate marketing. Why not become an affiliate for TikTok, right? So I was already reviewing products for Amazon. That's something that I do as well, and I absolutely love it. I'm already in the reviewing products. Why not go ahead and try my luck with TikTok shop? And for a very long time, it didn't work until it started to work. I have been doing TikTok shop for literally almost a year now. Almost a year. This year I'm gonna make it a year. I think February or March will make it a year. I've been doing TikTok shop. And I didn't know what I was doing. I just thought I needed to. I didn't know what I was doing, and I just thought I needed to review products. Long story short, it took me a while, and I did make money on TikTok shop, but it wasn't anything crazy, Here sale, there sale. And I was like, okay. And then some months it was nice. And of course, then the discouragement came. I was so discouraged at one time because I was creating content and I wasn't seeing any income coming in. Fast forward about 2 months ago, I started really diving into it and taking it seriously and posting consistently every day. Just like focusing on my profile, focusing on my page. And because I did that and also went live, I was able to generate a good amount of money. Now, it's not life changing, but it's something. Oh my goodness, my kid is right next to me. No, it's not life changing, but it's something that I want you to know as a stay-at-home mom that you can still contribute, you can still provide something. Because I know as a stay-at-home mom at one point, the reason why I started doing all of these things online is because I wanted to feel like I was contributing something. And I know as a stay-at-home mom, you are doing so much. But for me, I wanted to contribute financially as well. And with this economy, it was much needed. And honestly, I just like buying my own stuff. There's things that I just love doing. I just love holding my own money. And I just love holding my own money. Whether it be getting it from my husband or making it on myself, I just love holding my own money. Let's go into my analytics so you can see. I'm going to switch around the phone so you can see what we're doing and how much we made for the month and how much I'm going to withdraw today. Okay, so this is not going to be a long video. If you have any questions about what I'm doing and how I'm balancing work, because it is work, social media is a lot of work. Don't let anyone tell you it is not a lot of work, because it is work. It's just more flexible and it's on your own timing, and it really eats at your mental state. So if you're mentally not stable, then it's going to be very difficult for you. So yes, when you're doing social media, you have to be mentally stable, or you have to be constantly be working on yourself. My page right here, you could go and check it out. Let's go into the TikTok shop studio. You can see today how much I made at $1. You see, guys, $1. See, I made $1 today, and that's okay. I haven't posted any video on this account or anything like that, but I went live on this account. So let's check my data performance. Okay, we go to earnings. You see it right here. So you click on earnings, and then it will show you how much I have available to withdraw. This is how much I have available to withdraw right now. But we're not going to withdraw anything now. I'm going to go to data. So we're going to go and check to see how much we made for the month of custom. You see right here. Let's go to custom, and then we're going to go month. And then we're going to do December month. Let's do December in 2024. And then we're going to press done. And it's going to generate how much we made for the month of December. Okay, so how much I made in the month of December, look at right here. So this is how much I made for the company, also all together. This is how much item I sold. Oh, shims. Dang it. Let's go back. This is how much items I sold, and this is my commission for the month of December. So I am going to be withdrawing that when it comes true. So right now we have literally, this is the amount that so far I can withdraw. And let's just withdraw it one time. So literally with withdrawing it right now, guys, I am telling you, back, as you can see, it's zero out. That is going to go directly to my PayPal. If you see I'm at a weird angle, it's because I'm feeding my son currently right now, okay? But yeah, that is how much I was able to withdraw today, and more will come in later on. But as you can see how much I actually made in the month of December, and that is not a typical month for me. It has been really, December has been a good month. So I would say that has not been a typical month. I don't want to make you feel that I am withdrawing that every single month, because I'm not. I'm actually not. But I do withdraw. I do make money every month. It just fluctuate when it comes to how much, and depending on how much work I actually put into it. December, I was not in school, so I was able to do a little bit more. Oh my goodness, Lord have mercy. Yes, my husband is calling. Being a mom and trying to do social media can be really difficult, because right now my kiddo just woke and I need to fix my clothes. Right now my kiddo just woke and it is chaotic in this room. But nevertheless, we're going to do this. We're going to get this video out. And that is the joy of it. When you press record, you just go ahead and share and talk. And you're going to find people who resonate with you, and they're going to start following you. And that is how you're going to eventually build a community. Now, some people may say how I got into reviewing products. Listen, like I said, I was already reviewing products for Amazon. It was a little bit different because Amazon is very different from TikTok. And so I had to change up a few things when it comes to reviewing product and how to make them just having a hook, sharing the product, and basically showcasing the product. And so for instance, some people might say, okay, so how do you do that? I'm just going to do a demonstration really quick and to show you like how I actually review products. And if you have any questions, I could answer them in other videos. Any question, if you want me to go from beginning to end, I will do it, but it's not in this video. So if you have those questions, let me know. Like for this device here, and say your grandparents would love this. I have grandparents, and also my parents would love this, and they have a hard time hearing. Sorry, I make a lot of mistakes while I'm doing this. Like literally, they have a hard time hearing, and so what this does, your parents is gonna love you for this. Only one cup of fire back. All right. And I will go on to kind of explain what it is. But basically, I would make videos like that, grabbing people's attention, and literally your parents is going to thank you because they don't know the technology and they don't want to deal with Bluetooth speaker or anything like that. All they just need to do is rest their phone on it, and it will literally be like loudspeaker for them. And so they will be able to hear you better and communicate better. This here has made a lot of money, not on my account because I just received this to review, but yeah. So it's things simple like that, and just making a video because I literally got it to use it in the shower because I play my music from my phone, and with the noise of the shower, it kind of cancel out the song, the music. With this speaker, I don't need Bluetooth. I just need to place my phone on it and I will be able to hear my song. Okay? Simple videos like that really have made a difference in people's life. Literally, it changed people. And that is what I do on TikTok Shop to be exact. And of course, you can do it on any other platform. You can do this on Facebook. You can even do this on YouTube as well. Of course, there's requirements that you need to meet as well. But nevertheless, This is what I have been doing to make money on social media as a stay-at-home mom and a full-time student. Okay. Let me know if you have any question. I'm happy to share with you and document my journey with you and share any tips to help you guys, because I know when I was on this journey trying to figure out how to make an extra dollar, because in this economy it is really hard how to make an extra dollar. I've tried so many different things, so I can afford to share with you what I've tried, what I've failed. And to be fair, I have not never really failed, because everything I've tried really give me like a stepping stone to the next thing that I need to do. So even though buying those affiliate courses, I was able to learn so much out of it that I'm able to create my own product, that I'm able to do all these different things. So everything I did was an investment. Hold on. Hey, a senior trying to record this video with my baby is kind of chaotic, so I'm going to end it right here. But if you have any questions, let me know down below. I will be able to make a follow-up video and answer all your questions pertaining to TikTok shop, how to make money online, and even how to grow on YouTube. Okay. All right. See you.